Gautam, what do you think what's inside?
I think there is a snake.
वहाँ पर हमें मोर दिखा.
More. We are very close to them. Hello everyone, this is Harsh Gupta. It's been a long time, 3 weeks, I think 3 weeks since my last video. 3 हफ्ते हो गए हैं मैंने कोई वीडियो नहीं बनाई. Right now I am on a small trek around Haridwar which is Chandi Devi. So we are going to the temple. Actually me and my friend are planning to go on a big trek somewhere in the hills. और I thought कि उससे पहले मेरे को एक छोटे ट्रैक से शुरुआत करनी चाहिए बिकॉज लॉन्ग ट्रैक पे गए हुए मुझे 1 साल हो चुका है. And that was Kedarnath. So this Chandi Devi temple is at the peak. So it's evening right now. It's 4:16 and I'm expecting कि 5 बजे तक शायद मैं ऊपर पहुंच जाऊं. यहाँ से ऊपर जाने का हमारा प्लान है कि हम ऊपर जाने के बाद सनसेट देखें. सनसेट दिखेगा भी कि नहीं दिखेगा. We are not very sure, but we have a little bit of hope, and with that hope, we are going. So I switched the camera to the vlog mode. Actually, right now I'm holding this camera because this, trek, it's we have to walk around 3 or 5 kilometers. So this is the guy. Most of the times he helped me record the video. So he is also tired because this trek, you can see, is a long way up to the peak. So I thought let's just vlog and hold the camera myself. So that is what I'm doing right now. Yeah. So Gautam, what are your thoughts? Hey, you can remove the mask, bro.
वहाँ पर हमें मोर दिखा.
More. That was a peak.
मोर.
No, that's more people. That's not more. But
मोर वो रहा.
more people.
अरे वो.
Yeah. Oh, that is really. Right now we are looking at a peacock. I think through zoom we can see that, and it is running. As you can see, that guy is going, and you can see that.
मैंने बोला मोर, तुमने सोचा मोर पीपल.
Yeah, he said more. I thought more people, but that was actually a more. That was a peacock right here. So the more was going somewhere inside there. So that was a real more right there, and before we could see more, the more ran away. Pun intended. Actually, we are in Rajaji National Park. This entire region comes under the Rajaji National Park. So a more is very common. You can even expect an elephant or a deadly animal here. But we are not afraid because we are coming here since our childhood. So we came across a shortcut. इस रास्ते पे आपको shortcuts बहुत मिलेंगे. Yeah, Gautam is saying something. Yeah.
Really, these cuts are not shortcuts. Really, it's a long cut.
Oh.
So this is better for us, I think.
Okay.
It's also good exercising point for
Yeah.
youngsters.
Yeah. After completing this vlog, either this shoulder is going to be bigger than this one, or either this is going to be bigger than this one. And that is the reason I came here, to see my city from the top. You can see there is the highway. If I zoom in, so you can see the highway right there. So at half kilometer we could see that. What is waiting for us up there? Let's go find out. So, Gautam, what do you think what's inside?
I think there is a snake.
No.
They are ants. Don't disturb them, please. It's my humble request to you.
Oh, it was his aunt there. Chalo yaar. About me, I'm not tired. Gautam, you? Are you tired?
Not at all. No?
Because this is some flat way here. और यहाँ पे इतना tiring नहीं है. This is not our first time. In childhood we used to come here. I've been here a lot of times. And my last time was almost a year ago. I was here with some other friends. and I'm coming here again this time. Some people again here. So we were expecting to reach the top at 5. It's 4, no, it's 4:45 already. I think it's 4:48 and we are halfway. So this guy stopped somewhere in between and said कि मेरी कुछ photos click कर दो. Wow, this vlog was all about taking his photos. No.
In return,
Yeah, he helps me out. Yeah, he helps me out shoot
because
my
last
stuff.
time I remember when we were at as well Kunjapuri also and at Bhadraj.
Bhadraj temple.
Both time this guy said me I will take your picture in last, but in last I get this one.
He gets the thinga. Oh,
It's an ancient tree.
we are about to reach, but before that we found an ancient tree,
ये
as Gautam said.
इसमें पर लोग अब डस्टबिन का काम ले रहे हैं,
Oh,
देख सकते हो.
so we have organic dust bins here. As you can see, we are not using plastics. We are using plastic just to dump in these. I think we are almost there.
I think white is suiting on me. दो मंदिर हैं.
अच्छा,
एक
दो
चंडी
मंदिर है.
देवी,
ठीक.
एक अंजनी माता.
हाँ जी, एक हनुमान मंदिर भी है.
हनुमान मंदिर वो अंजनी
हाँ.
इज द मदर ऑफ हनुमान.
Yeah, I know that.
तो अंजनी माता के जो मंदिर के पुजारी हैं, ही इज माय नेबर.
Oh,
And many times when came at this temple I got VIP treatment.
Oh.
Really, I am not joking.
okay.
From the what we say
So
trolley.
a new thing. Oh, okay.
Only
So
I-
right now we are VIPs, according to Gautam.
For Anjani Mata temple.
Okay,
Not
only for the Anjani Mata temple, we are VIPs.
और हमारे पास ऑप्शन था कि हम
हाँ,
trolley से आ
we
सकते थे,
yeah,
लेकिन
exactly.
ये सब आप दर्शकों के लिए, आप
Exact-
देखने वालों के लिए.
Exactly.
हर्ष ने इतनी मशक्कत करी पैदल चलने की,
Yeah,
तो इसके लिए
We-
हर्ष के लिए एक लाइक बनता है.
yeah, exactly.
लाइक बनता है. और अंजनी से इस बार एक प्रार्थना करेंगे जरूर
जी,
हर्ष जी,
जी.
कि जैसे पिछली बार एक ब्लॉग के लिए
Yeah.
इतना,
We had to sacrifice a lot.
तो वो जो है रिकवर हो जाए जल्दी और आगे से ऐसी चीज़ें जो है हमारे साथ.
Yeah, we are very well prepared now. I can see one of the temple there, so that means we are very close. So we are finally at the temple, and it took us around 1 hour because हम रास्ते में फोटोज़ वगैरह क्लिक करने के लिए भी रुके थे, और उसी वजह से, and we did this entire trek without stopping anywhere because we have a habit of going on these kinds of treks, and this is quite a small one. So this is what I was coming here for. This view, this is the entire Haridwar city from the top. We were expecting a good sunset from here, but the weather is really very humid. तो उसकी वजह से sunset भी इतना clear नहीं है. But sun is right there up, and this is the view. This is the view. So since we are at the top right now, and right behind me is the temple. So first we will go to the Chandi Mata Mandir, and उसके बाद हम जाएंगे अंजनी माता मंदिर. And whenever you come here during Navratri or any other time, one thing you are definitely going to hear is Jai Mata Di. Yeah, Jai Mata Di. जोर से बोलो Jai Mata Di. People are not here, otherwise they would be saying the same thing with me.
जय माता दी.
Jai Mata Di. And right now we are going to the temple, और उसके बाद we will go to our homes. That's it. So let's go to the temple now. You are not allowed without your masks. रास्ते में तो इतने लोग नहीं थे, यहाँ पे हो सकते हैं. So that's why we are. These monkeys are thieves. यहाँ पे monkey आपका सामान स्नैच करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर सेल्फ. दिखने में इतना मासूम लग रहा है ना, जैसे कुछ करेगा नहीं. तो नवरात्रों के टाइम पे अगर आप यहाँ पे आए तो आपको इस जिग-जैग जैसे रास्ते से होके मंदिर पर जाना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे भीड़ बहुत हो जाती है. बट देयर इज नॉट इवन अ परिंदा हेयर, तो वी कैन गो डायरेक्टली.
परिंदा यहाँ आएगा भी क्यों?
आएगा भी क्यों एक्चुअली. बाय परिंदा आई मीन भक्तजन. These marks are representing कि यहाँ पे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग भी फॉलो हुई है. Not a surprise. अभी तक यहाँ पर बहुत कम लोग थे और अचानक से यहाँ पे बहुत लोग आ गए हैं. As I said earlier, few things you are definitely going to hear here, which is Jai Mata Di. He is trying to snatch things. We are going for another temple. I don't know if you can see, but यहाँ पे दो peacock हैं. By zooming, I'll try to show you. उसके पास जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. We are very close to them. तो अभी अभी आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे कि यहाँ पर दो मोर थे, एंड राइट नाउ देयर इज नो मोर मोर. पन इंटेंडेड अगेन. बट वी आर फाइनली एट द टॉप, और दोनों जगह जहाँ पे हम जाना चाहते थे वहाँ पे हम होके आ चुके हैं. एंड एज आई सेड अर्लियर दैट माई फ्रेंड्स एंड मी आर प्लानिंग to go somewhere in the hills. I will also try to share my experience of that place. तो उससे पहले मैंने सोचा कि अगर मैं यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस व्लॉग करके ट्राई कर लूँ तो विद दैट मुझे वर्क फ्लो का पता चल जाएगा. गौतम, वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग?
Yes, I would like to say
Yeah.
only that much कि आप लोग जब भी आएँ तो पूरा इसका आनंद लें, पूरा घूमें. और
प्लेस इज ब्यूटीफुल. या
यहाँ आपको उत्तराखंड की यही खासियत है कि हर जगह पे आपको हर अलग किस्म की पहाड़ी और हर अलग किस्म के पेड़. ये वाकई ये बहुत सुंदर. देखिए ना ये पेड़ कितने अच्छे हैं. और हाँ, एक बात और कि हर्ष गुप्ता को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस व्लॉग को लाइक ज़रूर कर दें. और अगर आपको ये व्लॉग पसंद आया और आपने पहले के व्लॉग नहीं देखे हैं तो उनको भी जाकर देखना, क्योंकि आज इस व्यक्ति ने मेरी इच्छा पूरी की है और अच्छी तरीके से मेरी फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक करी हैं. तो इसीलिए लाइक तो
enough. So Gautam said my part, but I'll say it again that yes, if you like this video, if you like this vlog, then consider subscribing, because that motivates me to make new videos. So anyways guys, we are at the end of this vlog. और यहाँ पे मैं आपसे यही बोलूँगा कि if you are planning to come हरिद्वार तो यहाँ पर आप आ सकते हैं. and I showed you that हरिद्वार from top, और that is my city. और अपनी सिटी का इंट्रोडक्शन अपने स्टाइल में मैं आपको फिर कभी दूंगा. बट फॉर नाउ दिस व्लॉग एंड्स हियर, एंड विदाउट सेइंग अ वर्ड मोर, लेट्स शट इट. That tree looks good, right? That tree looks good. I'm imagining myself going there, and you are taking a shot from front like this.
मतलब
Actually, this is not my vlog. Gautam is speaking more than me.
अभी तो
So this video, I think, supposed to be going at his channel.
ये पहन रहे हैं जूते. हर्षदा, there are many monkeys you can.
Langurs are not monkeys. I have a question here with people. So we call these guys monkey. What do we call those guys? Langurs are also monkey. Oh,
ये है कि भाई कभी तेल डला लेता हूँ, कभी दाल तेल ले लेता हूँ, यही कहानी चल रही, दुकान पूरी खाली हो गई, माल लाने की पैसे ही नहीं हो पाते, कहाँ से लाएं।
यहाँ पे इतना अनसेफ नहीं है. इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू कम हरिद्वार, यहाँ पे ज़रूर आएँ. यहाँ के लोग तरस गए हैं यात्रियों को, एंड इनका कहना है कि सिर्फ 20 से 25% मार्केट यहाँ पे रह गया है. तो जब भी आप आएँ इनसे कुछ शॉप कर लें, यही मैं आपसे कहूँगा.